as Old Trafford glimmers theatrically in the floodlights.
Attack using the pace of Rashford, Lingard and James, but Greenwood to Manchester City's formation. In recent weeks he has at times dropped deep.
Monopoly. The League Cup has come back to this city. The last takes on Wan-Bissaka, repelled by Lindelof, taken away by a very good fetch by young Brandon Williams, and United come up. One suspects that this semi-final won't be quite a little flick from James. Face to face with Mendy, dealt with by retreating. Wan-Bissaka can't take that in. Sterling has never scored against United. Here he is. 2016, De Bruyne's corner is repelled by. Set it for Fred, and Fred's shot found Rashford in a very obviously offside position.
But that's exactly how Manchester United want to.
And you can't manufacture a foot out of which. Taken up here by Rashford. Fernandinho stuck in a toe, and Manchester United have a corner.
Just for a moment there, it looked as though Rashford would go down. Really good run.
Beyond Gundogan, flicked out by Wan-Bissaka. Scrum was by Crystal Palace, and that back in August. Walker. Bernardo Silva. Oh, what a hit! A special hit for City at the Stretford end, Old Trafford. Wow, that fizzed into the top corner.
Well, it all started by they went that little bit longer. Mahrez headed it down, and suddenly Walker's breaking forward.
That away goals don't count double. There's no
need to defend the space.
James is on his way. Brilliant from Riyad Mahrez by Bernardo Silva. That's cleverly manoeuvred by the City pair. Bernardo Silva. Lingard got a foot in. Mike Dean was well positioned to consider it a competition. Gundogan.
Into midfield, but it's allowing Man City an overload everywhere else on the field.
Now Lingard. Knocked away by. And it could get worse. Jones under pressure and White. Just compare those performances with the one
left-hand side.
Sterling. He's kick up and driving him back. Raheem Sterling. James. Whipped in by Pereira. That's a whole lot better. Lindelof kept it alive for Pereira and rolls it through for Riyad Mahrez. 2-0 City. Right now, the Blues are a level or two clear of the Reds. They're a goal and two clear of the Reds.
What a pass from Bernardo Silva. Lindelof wins the header, but Manchester United just can't cope at the moment.
Sweet little touch from Greenwood. Greenwood again didn't make pure contact.
There's a little bit of...
It only came to Kevin De Bruyne. De Gea saves, it bounces off Pereira, and Manchester City are 3-0 up on enemy territory.
Well, they're trying to claim there was a foul somewhere in there on Williams by Riyad Mahrez.
Well, we do have VAR, so
yep.
It will be checked. Gundogan onto it. Sterling. Bernardo Silva! De Gea's made a very good block, though the flag was up.
Must have been unhappy every time the ball's played back to De Gea. They want Manchester United to play.
In by De Bruyne for Sterling! Who just cannot score in this fixture.
I hope you weren't talking about Mike Summerby.
And now Mahrez face to face with Jones, setting it for Sterling. Rashford. Pereira. Harmless. Well, there was talk coming into this fixture, given such a busy period prior to it. I'll just let you talk through this first.
Yeah, this is where they thought there was a foul. It's no foul. He just really soon into that second half and lost 3-2. There's the hope.
Bounces off Fred. Crashed forward by Rodri, who collided with Fred. Walker. Sterling! And Silva. James was perhaps sympathetic to the meteorological conditions. They've lost away from home this year, improbably. At half-time at Old Trafford, it is Manchester United 0.
Certainly does. It depends who's coming off for him.
The dash and dart and intelligence. Fernandinho away. Fred. Williams. Brandon Williams. They have earned 91 more points. United have. And he has rolled it for Sterling. Pereira. Too heavy for James. And a little spell in that position.
Yellow card.
Mahrez, who exchanged with Walker. Riyad Mahrez. Lifted in again by Mendy. Here's Mahrez round the back. And De Gea threw a knee at it. Riyad Mahrez. Went flying in.
That's a good.
Then Gundogan. Now Bernardo Silva. Mahrez. James. Nicked away by Otamendi, who was caught by Daniel James' follow-through.
Well, he bundled his way through.
Early one for James to chase. Too close to Claudio Bravo. Again, Pereira. Looped up towards Rashford. De Bruyne. Sterling has stumbled. The whistle had previously gone.
Oh, for a touch.
Lindelof. Pereira. Driving now with purpose and going over Rodri's tackle, which is worthy of a yellow card. Rashford, and as he always does with a good deal of heart, but on this occasion with Sterling now face to face with Lindelof and seeing it for some chasing to do. Walker's beyond him. Jones helped out. Gomez, Greenwood, Rashford.
Times when he could have done a lot better. He's done well here, although the foul's been given against him.
But if there is to be a realistic prospect of a red card for the second leg of this semi-final, and indeed the Leicester City, driving up Williams, away from Williams, Riyad Mahrez hunting hungrily. Greenwood, Rashford's in here and scores! A glimpse, just a glimpse for Manchester United, made visible for them by Marcus Rashford.
Just under hit.
Walker let it go to Mahrez. Way to Sterling. Viewed here by Mahrez, who has Sterling going ahead of him. Raheem Sterling. Mahrez! And De Gea's behind it. Mahrez.
Put his team 50, 60 yards up the pitch.
Well, second leg. Back up on his feet. As soon as we saw him open his eyes and look up, we knew Gomez.
Pretty good. It's been a bit lacking in this second half.